How to fix if apps crashing on Samsung A17. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on hot side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, open, close, open, close, open and close app. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on general management. Click on reset and reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.